Good morning students, I am Vikas Kumar. I am going to teach you class 6 maths exercise 1D, lesson 1D. Students, exercise 1D, class 6, subject is maths. So lesson 1D, question number 5. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Question 5 is 57 plus 34. Estimate each sum to the nearest 10. Solution is here. Estimated number of 57 to nearest 10 equal to. Students, look here. 7 is at 1's place and 5 is at 10's place. We know that if 1's place is 0 to 4, lying between 0 to 4 range, then there is no change in digit 5. But these are the range between 5 to 9. So plus 1 is increased in 5 and 7 change into 0. So 60 is the estimated number. Again, estimated number of 34 to nearest 10 equal to 4 is lying in between range from 0 to 4. So 3 is not changed. 30 is here. According to question, sum equal to 60 plus 30, 90 answer. Question number is 11. 11 question is 356 plus 275. Solution is estimated number of 356 to nearest 10 equal to estimated number of 356 to nearest 10. Here before 10's 1 digit is lying here 6. So this is lying in between range 5 to 9. So 5 is increased by 1 and 6 converted to 0. So 356 answer is here 360. Now second is estimated number of 275 to nearest 10 is here. 5 is here lying in range between 5 to 9. So 7 is increased by 1 and 5 converting to 0. 280. Now according to question, sum equal to 360 plus 280. When we add it 0 0, 8 6 14 in 1, 3 2 5 1 6 40 answer. Again, estimate each sum to the nearest 100. 4 is question number 14. 2 3 6 plus 6 8 9. Solution, estimated number of 236 to nearest 100 is equal to 1's 10's 100. Here before 100 10's digit is 3. This is lying in between range of 0 to 4. So 2 is not changed and 6 is converted into 0 0. Now again, estimated number of 6, 8, 9 to nearest 100 equal to 1, 10, 100. At 100 place is 6 digit is here. Before 100 plus digit, 10th digit is 8. This 8 digit lying in range between 5 to 9. So 6 convert into 7 and 8, 9 convert into 00. 700. According to question, required sum equal to 200 plus 700. Answer is 900. Now question number 17 is, this is same question, nearest 100. 17 question is, look here, show you. 70 question is 3,280 plus 4,395. This is same question to the nearest 10. This is also required nearest 100. Show you. 3,280 plus 4,395. Solution. Number nearest number nearest to 100 once again, what language? Once again, what is language? What type of language? Estimated number, yes, estimated number. Once again, students, estimated number of 3280 nearest 100 equal to 1 10 100. Digit at 100 place is 2. Before 2, 8 is lying at 10th place. So 8 is lying in range between from 5 to 9. So 2 convert into 3. 3,300. Estimated number of 4,395 to the nearest 100 equal to 1 10 100. Digit at line 100 place is 3. Before 100 place digit 9 is lying between 5 to 9 range. So 3 convert into 4. 4400. Now required sum equal to 3,300 plus 4,400 7,700 is our answer. Again, next question is 20. Before 20, required question is here. Estimate each sum to the nearest 1,000. For this question number 20 is 32836 836. So here. So here 32,836 plus 16,466. So here. Solution. Estimated number of 2,836 to the nearest 1,000 is equal to, student, digit at 1,000 is 1 10 100,000 2, and before 1,000 digits 8 is lying at 100 place, and 8 is also lying between range from 5 to 9. So 836 is converted already automatically in 0, but 2 is converted into 3. So required estimated number is 33,000. Again, estimated number of 16,466 to the nearest thousand equal to 1 tens 100,000. Before 1000 plus 4 is lying in range between 0 to 4, so there is no conversion. Conversion takes place at 6416,000. Now, or according to question, required sum equal to 33,000 plus 16,000. 3069 314. The answer. Again, question number 22. So here, there are 54 balls in box A and 79 balls in box B. Estimate the total number of balls in both the boxes taken together. Number of balls. Number of balls in box A is equal to 54, and number of balls in box B equal to 79. Estimated number of balls in box A equal to 60, and estimated number of balls in box B is equal to 80. Now, according to question, their sum or required sum (60 plus 80 equal to 140) is our answer. 1 minute. Once again, students, 1 minute not to. So here, question is 54. So look. 54. Sorry, students. Estimated number of balls in box A here 50, not 60, because number of balls in box A, this given here, so here, number of balls in box A equal to 54, and number of balls in box B equal to 79 given. Estimated number of balls in box A equal to 50, and estimated number of balls in box B is equal to 80. So when we add 50 plus 80, answer is 130 answer. Next question is question number 23. This is required to estimate each sum, each difference. So yes, estimate each difference to the nearest 10. Estimate from here. Estimate each difference to nearest 10. Question 23 is 53 minus 18. Solution. Estimated number of 53 is nearest to nearest 10 equal to 50 because digit at 10th place is 5 and digit at 1st place is 3 and 3 lying in range between 0 to 4, so 3 convert into 0 and there is no change takes place, there is no change about 5, so 5 0 is here. And again estimated number of 18 to the nearest 10 to the nearest 10 student to the nearest 10 equal to 1's tens. 8 is lying in range between 5 to 9, so 1 is converted into 2 and 8 is coming to 0. Required, according to question, required difference equal to 50 minus 20 equal to 30 is our answer. Again question number 26. 426. So here estimate each difference to the nearest 100. 26 is 678 minus 215. Estimate each difference to the nearest 100. Question number 26. 678 minus 215. Solution. Estimated number of 678 to the nearest 100 is equal to 1's tens 100. Digit at 100 place is 6. Before this digit, 10th digit is 7. And 7 is lying in range between from 5 to 9. So 6 convert into 7. And 7, 8 is converted into 0, 0. So 700. Again estimated number of 215 to the nearest 100 equal to 1's tens 100. 1 is at 10th digit, so there is no conversion takes place at 2, so 215 convert into 200. According to question, required difference equal to 700 minus 200. Answer is 500. Student 500. Once again 500 is our answer. Question number 28. 28 is 7258 minus 2429. This is also difference to the nearest 100. A solution. Estimated number of 7258 to the nearest 100 is equal to digit at 100 place is 1's tens 100,000. 1's tens 100 place is 1's tens 1,100. 1's tens 100,000. Sorry, 1's tens 100,000. 2 is at 100. 2 is at 100 place. So, and before 100 place, 5 digit is at 10th place, and 5 lying in between range from 5 to 9. So 5 8 is converted into 0 0 and 2 is converted into 3, and 7 is right as usual. Now again estimated number of 2429 to the nearest 100 equal to 1's tens 100. Digit at 100 place is 4 and digit at 2 place is at 10s. 2 is line. Digit at 10th place is 2 and it is line range from 0 to 4, so there is no conversion takes place at digit at 100 place, that is 4 is lying as usual. 2400. Now according to question, required difference. Question number 28. So here 28. Okay, so here equal to 7300 minus 2400. 00 1349 here and 6249. 100 answer. And last question. So here, estimate each difference to the nearest thousand. Question number 30, 35,836 and 27,677. Estimate each difference to the nearest thousand. Question 30 is 35,863 minus 27,677. Solution. Estimated number of 35,863 to the nearest thousand is equal to 1 cents 100,000. Digit at 1,000 place is 5, and before 1,000 place, digit at 100 place is 8, and it is lying range from 5 to 9. So 5 convert into 6. 36,000. Estimated number of 27,677 to the nearest thousand is equal to 1 cents 100,000. Digit at 1,000 place is 7, and before this digit 6 digit is at 100 place. 6 digit at 100 place. So 677 convert into 000 and 7 convert into 8. 28